Welcome to Diamond Group of Institution. Dear students, myself Mr. Shivkumar sir. I am a senior mathematics teacher in the Diamond Group of Institution. So dear students, previously we completed three classes. We started the polynomial chapter, dear students. So we completed the exercise 2.1, also 2.2 we are going. In the 2.2, I taught you first bit, second bit and third bit. So third bit we are going. In the third bit, totally 8 problems are there, dear students. In the 8 problems, previous class I taught you minimum 5 questions I explained to you. So sixth, now we are going, dear students. Sixth question is there on the board I wrote here, and seventh also is there, 8 also is there, dear students. Eighth question I will you will do the homework. So see, now sixth and seventh question I will explain the, dear students. Okay, let us come to the solution, dear students. So sixth question is like that is there. So what is the beat? Beat what it is saying here, verify the given polynomials are 0 of the polynomial or not. That is the question is that beat what in the instruction, the third bit is what saying here. So verify the given polynomials are 0 of the polynomial or not. That is the question. So already we did, already you also know that. So sixth question is like that is that p of x is equal to lx plus m is here x value he is given the minus m upon l is the, dear students. Means where is the x, there substitute the value minus m upon l. So let us see solution here, dear students. Solution. So look at here, equation polynomial is what, lx plus m, and already he is given x value is equal to minus m upon l is there. So now here l and x value is what, you should be taking the bracket minus m upon l and plus is there. We are doing the multiplication, dear students. This l
get cancelled. So remaining is what? Here minus m and plus m. So minus m plus m both are get cancelled. Answer is equal to 0. So we can say, dear students, so what? lx plus m and here x equal to minus m upon l is what? 0 of p of x, dear students. One more time look at the board, dear students. What we asked, p of x is equal to lx plus m. So x value is given, x is equal to minus m upon l is there, dear students. So now let us see the solution step by step. First I wrote here the polynomial and value also I wrote here only. So lx plus m, l is as it is, where is the x? They substitute the value minus m upon l, dear students. Now I substituted here, so both both are get cancelled as it is, plus it is m also as it is. So now here positive and negative both are get cancelled. Answer came here 0. So we can say what, p of x is the given value, x is equal to minus m upon l is what. So it is made to the 0 of the polynomial of this value, dear students. Okay, I thought you understood the sixth question. Let us go to the seventh question. Seventh question also very easy is there, dear students. Seventh question that I will write the question on the board. Seventh question is what? P of x is equal to 3x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is there, and here two questions are there. X is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 3 is there. I will take first, we will go to the second question, dear students. Okay, let us come to the solution here. So p of x, what is given? 3x square minus 1 is there, dear students. So polynomial is what? 3x square minus 1. So next here x is equal to is given minus 1 upon under root of 3, dear students. So where is the x? There substitute the value minus 1 upon under root of 3. So 3 as it is, here bracket minus 1 upon under root of 3 whole square and minus 1 as it is. So dear students, here square is there. So let us see. So 3 I am writing as it is. One more time instruction. Minus 1 whole square means it is written as minus 1 and minus 1. So minus into minus, we got here plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Means here numerator is what? 1. So similarly, under root of 3 is there. Under root of 3 whole square. Under root of 3 whole square, dear students. Now here square root both are get cancelled. Both are get cancelled. So you are not understanding. So directly I am writing square root get cancelled. Answer I wrote here 3. How it is come? So look at the board. Under root of 3 into under root of 3. Dear students, it will become under root of 9. Under root of 9. 9 square root is what? 9 square root is 3. That's why we wrote here square and square root both are get cancelled. Our answer is what? 3. That's why I am writing here 3 and minus 1. So now 3 both are get cancelled. So remaining is what? 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 both are get cancelled. Answer equal to 0. So that's what we can say. X is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 3 is a 0 of the polynomial, dear students. One more time. This solution. Listen carefully. Here nothing is there. Very easy simplification, dear students. So seventh question is like that is that P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 3. First question I took here. So next solve the solution is like that is that step by step you can see. So I wrote here polynomial 3x square minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 3 is there, dear students. So 3 as it is, x square value is I am substituting here what? Minus 1 upon under root of 3. I whole square minus 1. This minus 1 is I wrote here directly. So next step I did here 3 in the bracket 1 upon 3 wrote. How it is came? 1 upon under root of 3. Here minus 1 is there. Minus 1 whole square means minus into minus is equal to plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So similarly under root of 3 place I wrote here denominator 3. So here 3 is there now. Under root of 3 root 3 whole square means if we written as under root of 3 into under root of 3 under root of 9. So 9 square root, the answer is 3. That's why we are cancelling here directly. Square and square root both are get cancelled. Answer is 3, dear student. That's why here 3 came. Both 3 numerator and denominator both are get cancelled. Here 1 is there and minus 1 both are plus 1 minus 1 both are get cancelled. Answer equal to 0. We can say what? X is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 3 is the 0 of the polynomial of this P of x, dear student. So I thought you understood this in the seventh question. First question you understood. Let us go to the second question, dear students. Okay. Second question similarly is there. So this is same polynomial, dear students. Same polynomial. Only value is changed is there here. What is given the value? Value is what? 2 upon under root of 3 is there. 2 upon under root of 3, dear students. Okay. Let us see solution here. P of x as it is there is equal to 3x square and minus 1 and x value is what? 2 upon under root of 3 is there, dear students. Okay. Where is the x? There substitute the value 2 upon under root of 3. I thought you are understanding very well. So 3 here 2 upon under root of 3 and bracket close minus 1, dear students. Now here square is there. You put the square. Now similarly you can do 3 as it is, 3 as it is. So 2 square equal to 4. In the previous problem already we did under root of 3 whole square is equal to both are get cancelled. Answer is 3. So dear students, last year we studied what is this? So a upon b power of m. A upon b whole power of m means this is we can say a power of m upon b power of m, dear students. बोले तो a power whole power, this is the power is m means this is the property of numerator also, this is the property of denominator also, dear students. That's why so this is 2 square equal to what? 4. Under root of 3 whole square equal to we came and we did the answer 3. So dear students, I thought you understood previous question only I explained to you very clearly. And here minus 1 is as it is, both are get cancelled. So remaining is what? 4 minus 1. So we got answer 3. We have got answer 3. So we can say therefore, so x is equal to 2 upon under root of 3 is not P of x. So you can directly write it. You can write the whole sentence also, dear students. X is equal to 2 upon under root of 3 is not a polynomial of given P of x, dear students. I thought you understood very well. So seventh question is like that is there, dear students. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 3 and another question is that 2 upon under root of 3, dear students. So I did the first question already clearly explained to you, dear students. Now we are going to the second question. Second question also I wrote on the board. I did the on the board. So this is the like that is that 3x square minus 1. One more time I am giving the expression, dear students. x is equal to 2 upon under root of 3 is there. So x, where is the x? There substitute the value 2 upon under root of 3. 2 upon under root of 3 whole square minus 1 is there. So 3 in the bracket, 2 square equal to 4. Under root of 3 whole square means that is came answer 3 only. So minus 1. Both 3 are get cancelled. Remaining is 4 dear students. Minus 1 is there. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Means it is answer it is not come to the 0. That's why we can say the given value, the given second value is not a 0 of the polynomial of given polynomial. So this value is not a 0 of the polynomial of given polynomial. ये क्या है 0 of the polynomial इसका नहीं है बोल के हम अपने own sentence में भी लिख सकते हैं dear students. We completed the third bit very clearly dear students. Now we are going to the fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? Instruction is what? Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases dear students. This is the bit giving you the instruction. In this bit, having the 7 questions dear students, I will explain the 2-3 questions I will explain. Remaining questions you should do the homework. So there you are getting the confused or doubt means you can call to me. The calling times also given dear students. Let us see the first question dear students. Okay. So here what is given? So x plus 5 is equal to 0 is there. X plus 5 is equal to, okay dear students, look at the solution. X plus 5 is equal to 0 is there. So directly we can do the solution. X is equal to what? Minus 5. So this plus 5 is transfer that side, that is become minus 5. Downside you write it. Therefore minus 5 is 0 of polynomial of p of x dear students. So what is the solution here? Nothing very easy. He is asking what is the 0 of the, find the 0 of the polynomial of the each of the following cases. इस सभी दिए गए केसेस के अंदर हम 0 of the polynomial फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए. So question is what? First question, x plus 5 is equal to 0 is there. So x value x as it is. This plus 5 is transfer that side, that is become minus 5 dear students. So verification, check it. So x value here came minus 5. So question is what? X plus 5 is equal to 0 is there dear students. Already we know that x is equal to what? Minus 5. Now I am substituting here minus 5 and plus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 both are get cancelled. Answer we got here 0. The answer is right. So that's why we can say minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial of given cases. Okay, this is the first question dear students. I thought you understood very well. So similarly, second question also like that is only is there. You can do in your homework. So now let us see the which one? Third question dear students. So third question is what? 2x plus 5 is there. 2x plus 5. Let us see the third question. That is also very easy dear students. What is given third question? Third question is what? P of x is equal to 2x plus 5 is there. 2x plus 5 dear students. Solution here. Question is what? 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Question is like that is there. Let us see the board dear students. Here this 2x I am writing as it is. Plus 5 is transfer that side, that is become minus 5. So similarly here x is there. This minus 5 upon 2. So we got here answer minus. This minus 5 is there. This is the multiplication. Transfer that side, that is become a division dear students. So similarly we can write therefore minus 5 upon 2 is a 0 of polynomial of p of x. P of x. ये क्या होता है? This minus 5 upon 2 is the 0 of the polynomial of given this cases. Okay, this is second question. One more time solution dear students. P of x is equal to 2x plus 5 is there. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x I wrote as it is here. This plus 5 is transfer that side, that is become minus 5 dear students. X is as it is equal to minus 5 by 2 is there dear students. Minus 5 by 2 how it is came means minus 5 already is there. This is a multiplication. Bring this side, that is become a division dear students. X is equal to minus 5 by 2. So directly write the answer downside. therefore minus 5 by 2 is a zero of the polynomial of given p of x. So I thought you understood the third question also, dear students. Let us go to the last question. The seventh question is that in the alphabetical is given, only variable is given. Let us see the seventh question, dear students. I thought you understood the first and third question, dear students. Now I am erasing this solution. Now we will go to the seventh question, dear students. Seventh question is like that, is that what is given? P of x is equal to, here cx plus d is there, cx plus d, and he is given the instruction what c is not equal to 0. So c is not equal to 0, c कभी भी 0 नहीं रहेगा, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया गया है. So let us come to the solution here, dear students. Solution is like that, is that this is the 0 of the polynomial. As it is, should be write the question cx plus d is equal to 0. First step is what? You translate to the left side d plus d is become minus d. So similarly here x is equal to minus d. This c is the multiplication is that translate that side, that is become a division. So therefore we can write here minus d upon c is a zero of the polynomial, p of given p of x, dear students. I thought you understood the seventh question also. One more time explanation, dear students. Here nothing is there, very easy this bit. So here what is given the seventh question? P of x is equal to cx plus d. C is not equal to 0, dear students. So solution is like that, is that cx plus d is equal to 0. So cx is equal to this d is translate that side, that is become minus d, dear students. X is as it is equal to minus d upon this is the multiplication, it is become a division. So final answer is what? Therefore minus d upon c, this is c, dear students. Therefore minus d upon c is the 0 of the polynomial of given p of x, dear students. I thought you understood, dear students. So like that only. So remaining questions are there. Remaining question, fourth question, fifth question and sixth question. These three questions you do the homework, dear students. Yes sir. Okay, dear students, I thought you understood. Dear students. 2.2 exercise having the four beat, dear students. Each beat having the some more questions. In that beat I explained to the 2-3 questions. So remaining questions are given for homework, dear students. Those questions you do the homework. So they you are not getting the solution, means you can inform to me. I will clarify your doubt, dear students. So fourth beat having the 7 question, dear students. I explained to you first question, third question and 7th question I explained to you. So remaining questions are you should do the homework, dear students. Okay, let us go to the next topic.
Okay, dear students, we completed first exercise 2.1 and 2.2. We completed very clearly, and we are going to the next topic. That is what remainder theorem is there. Already we know that when we were studying in the 4th standard, 5th standard, we did the division problems also. Division when we are doing the division, numerical division, their quotient also is there, dividend also is there, divisor also is there, and remainder also is there. So similarly, in the polynomial also, we should find out the remainder, dear students. So here two methods are there. Remainder theorem one is there and division one is there. So how we can do the division, dear students? Okay, let us see this polynomial. So here p of x and g of x is given, dear students. P of x is x plus 3x square minus 1 and g of x is equal to 1 plus x is there, dear students. Okay, now I am doing the first of all division. Afterwards we will go to the remainder theorem, dear student. Let us look at the board. So first what you can do, same. So this is 1, g of x is 1 plus x given, dear students. You take the descending order. Descending order is like that, x plus 1 bracket close. So the given p of x also, you should write the descending order with the sign. So here 3x square and plus x and minus 1 is there, and here division sign. So now this polynomial I wrote here descending order. This is also I wrote the descending order. So descending order, how we can consider? We should be considered the power. The highest degree is 2 here, highest degree is 1 here, highest here degree is the 0. 2, 1 and 0. This is the descending order, dear students. Okay. Now we will come to the how we do the division here, dear students. First you take the first term. First term is 3x square is there. Upon here first term is x is there, dear students. Okay. Let us see. Already you studied in the 8th standard, 9th standard. Divisibility rules are you studied. Which one? Exponents rules are a power of m upon a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n, dear students. Okay. So similarly, like that only is there. Here 3 is as it is into x is how many times is there? 2 times is there. Denominator how many terms here? Only one term, that is x. So both x are get cancelled. So remaining is what? Here 3x. So that 3x you should be right here. Okay, that is the quotient, dear students. Okay, now you should be multiply with the quotient and this x. So let us see. X into plus is equal to plus, 1 into 3 is equal to 3, x into x is equal to x square. Next, this one plus into plus is equal to plus, 1 into 3x is equal to 3x, dear students. Afterwards, we should be do the subtraction. So this plus is become minus, plus is become minus. This plus is become here minus, plus is become here minus, dear students. So plus 3x square minus 3x square both are get cancelled. Here plus x minus 3x. We should be do the subtraction and answer it will become in the negative, dear students. So why it will become the negative means when we are looking to the variable here terms, this is the 1x, this is the 3x. The highest term is here 3x, that property sign is here negative, that's why answer it will become minus. 3x minus 1x is equal to here 2x. Next you bring this one downside, this is minus 1 as it is. So similarly next step also should be follow it. Here first term is minus 2x is there. Here is x. This both x get cancelled. Remaining is here minus 2. So this minus 2 as it is you should be right here. Then you multiply it. So plus into minus, minus x into 2, 2x, and here plus into minus, minus 1 to the 2. So 1 to the 2. Next, change the sign. When we are doing the subtraction, we should be change the second term sign. That this minus is become plus, minus is become plus, dear students. So now this sign is now silent. You consider this plus only. Minus 2x plus 2x both are get cancelled. So next is what? Minus 1 plus 2. Answer we got here 1, dear students. So our remainder is what? Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1, dear students. Let us see once again. I thought you understood this division, how I did the division. One more time, dear students, I will explain clearly. You should be listen carefully and look at the board step by step. You should be follow it. So like that, similarly 2-3 questions you should be do the solution. But this is not a syllabus. Only this is not syllabus. But remainder it will become like that only. So that is the main. ये आना चाहिए. ये आए तो आप हमको समझ में आएगा कि रिमाइंडर क्या है. Understanding. So one more time I will explain the solution, dear students. First polynomial is like that is there x plus 3x square minus 1 and g of x is 1 plus x is there, dear student. First of all you should be the polynomials are you should be write the descending order, dear students. Descending order, that is 1 plus x is there, constant number first is there and variable second is there. First you should be take the variable. I wrote here x, constant number is afterwards. So similarly this polynomial also you should be write the descending order, dear students. So that is x square plus x and minus 1, variable, constant. Next, first I took the first term, that is 3x square is there, and here first term is x, dear students. When we will do the division, so this is become a 1 x power of 1, x power of 2 means answer came 3x power of 1. Afterwards this 3x and this polynomial binomial you should be do the multiplication. X into 3x is equal to 3x square, x into plus into plus equal to plus, 1 into 3x is equal to 3x. Afterwards you should be do the subtraction. This plus is become minus, plus is become minus, plus 3x square minus 3x square both are get cancelled. So next plus x minus 3x is there. So greatest variable term is 3x. the property sign is minus, that's why our answer will become in the negative. So minus 3x plus x is equal to 2x, then minus 1 is as it is. So next you take the here first term is what? Minus 2x upon here x is there, that's x we are writing here only, both x's are get cancelled, remaining is minus 2. Now do the multiplication, plus into minus is equal to minus, x into 2 is equal to 2x, and plus into minus is equal to minus, 1 to the 2 here, afterwards so you do the subtraction, change the sign, minus is become plus, minus 2x plus 2x both are get cancelled, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to answer, we got the answer here 1, dear students, means that the remainder equal to 1. This is the one of the method. This is the one of the method. In our syllabus, there is another method is there. What is that? The P of x. Look at the board, dear students. P of x is equal to, when we are writing the descending order, it is become 3x square and plus x minus 1 is there, and g of x is equal to, he is given 1 plus x, dear students, 1 plus x. This is the second method. Solution here only. First you should be take the g of x. 1 plus x is equal to 0 of the polynomial is considered 0, dear students. Next x is equal to, this plus 1 is transferred that side, that is become minus 1. In this given polynomial, where is the x? There substitute the value minus 1. So now I am taking this polynomial, 3x square plus x minus 1 is there. Here 3x square means 3 as it is, x place you should substitute the value minus 1 whole square, plus here x value is minus 1 and minus 1, dear students. Here is clearly you should be substitute the value. So this is polynomial, 3x square plus x minus 1 is there, x value we got here minus 1, 3 as it is I wrote here, this x value is minus 1, no, minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus x value is minus 1 and minus 1 as it is. Next step, here 3 as it is, minus 1 whole square is plus 1 and plus into minus, and this minus also minus 1 and this also minus. Next 3 ones are 3, dear students, minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Now we got here answer plus 1. Understood? One more time, 3x square plus x minus 1 polynomial. Where is the x? There substitute the value minus 1. I substituted here. X square means minus 1 whole square and plus x value is minus 1, dear students. This is the answer as it is, dear students. Now 3 as it is there, minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus into minus plus, and 1 so 1 is equal to 1. So that's why answer came here 1, and plus into minus is equal to minus 1. This minus 1 I wrote as it is. Next 3 into 1 equal to 3, minus 1 is equal to minus 2, dear students. So plus 3 minus 2 is equal to answer is 1, dear students. I thought you understood. Here also remainder came 1, here also remainder came 1, dear students. This is we call the remainder theorem. This is a division method, long division method. This is a remainder theorem. I thought both methods you understood. This is not for syllabus. This is the syllabus, very easy according to our NCERT syllabus. ये syllabus के लिए है, ये syllabus के लिए नहीं है. जो previous का syllabus था उसके अंदर यही मेथड था, लेकिन इस साल वो मेथड नहीं है, dear students. फिर भी हम अंडरस्टैंड कर लेना चाहिए. When we are doing the division, how we can get the remainder, we should be already we know that this method, dear students. Afterward textbook method applying to the according to the syllabus, so like that is that we take the remainder here 1. This is also 1, dear student. I thought you understood this example question. So anywhere this question, this method, you are getting the confused or a doubt, means you can ask to me. I will clarify your doubt, dear students. Okay. So let us. I thought you understood both method. We will go to the next example question, dear students. Yes, dear students. I explained to you 6th question. Now we are going to the 7th question, dear students. 7th question like that he is given. Divided the polynomial 3x raised to the power of 4 minus 4x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x minus 1 is there. So this is the divided by x minus 1, dear students. Okay. Now I am doing the division. Long method only I am doing the division. Afterwards we will go to the short method, that is the remainder theorem, dear students. So this is g of x. I am writing as it is. Once again you check it. The polynomial is given in the descending order or not. That is the very important. So power of 4 is there, power 3 is there, power 1 is there, power last number is constant number, means this is the what given polynomial is in the form of the descending order. So that is I am writing as it is 3x raised to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x and minus 1 is there here. Now we will do the division. Already I taught you, dear students, you should be take the first term. That first term is what? 3x raised to the power of 4 is there. Here first term is x, means answer we got here 3x cube. So that is I am writing here 3x cube. Now multiplication. Plus into plus is equal to plus, x into 3x raised to the power of 3 means we got here 3x raised to the power of 4. ये कैसा आएगा? Already we know that a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n, dear students. When we are doing the multiplication, of variables, उसके ऊपर का जो power रहता है वो power क्या हो जाएगा? Plus हो जाएगा. So similarly here, dear students, here x into 3x raised to the power of 3, we got the answer 3x raised to the power of 4. Now minus into plus is equal to minus, dear students. So 1 into 3x cube is equal to 3x cube as it is. Now we should be do the subtraction. So sign it will be changed. So plus is become, dear students, minus is become plus. Now plus 3x raised to the power of 4 minus 3x raised to the power of 4 both are get cancelled. Plus 3x cube and minus 4x cube, answer we got here only x cube. So minus x cube. So already we know that minus 4 is greatest, 3 is smallest, property sign minus 4, property sign is minus is there, that's why we took here minus. Next one you bring it, that is become what? Minus 3x. Now remaining polynomial is what? Minus 3x power of 3 minus 3x is there. So now dear students, here minus x cube upon x, this is you take it, answer we got here minus x square. 3 के अंदर 1 गए तो बचा क्या? कितना? 2. साइन वैसा ही रहेगा, माइनस इंटू प्लस इज इक्वल टू माइनस. दैट इज ओनली यू शुड बी राइट हियर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. नाउ प्लस इंटू माइनस इज इक्वल टू माइनस x into x square is equal to x cube and minus into minus is equal to plus 1 into x square is equal to x square. Already you know that multiplication of the variable and terms. So now subtraction, change the sign here. Plus is become, minus is become plus is become minus, dear students. Now minus x cube plus x cube both are get cancelled. So remaining minus 3x and minus 3x and minus x square is there. I am writing here minus x square and minus 3x. Next I am taking here minus 1, dear students. Now here x minus x square is there, upon here x, both are get cancelled, minus x, dear students. I am writing here minus x, plus into minus is equal to minus, x into x is equal to x square, minus into minus is equal to plus, and 1 into x is equal to 1 into minus x is equal to what? Only x, dear students. So now here minus, this is plus and this is as it is, both are get cancelled. Here minus 4x minus 1 is there. Minus 4x minus 1 is there. Now here minus 4 upon here x, minus 4x upon x is there. Both are get cancelled. Minus 4, dear students. Now we got here minus 4. Let us see once again. Minus 4, dear students. Now minus 4 is there. Plus into minus is equal to minus, x into minus 4 is equal to minus 4x, minus into minus is equal to plus, 1 into 4 is equal to 4, dear students. Now change the sign. Minus is become plus, plus is become minus. Minus 4x plus 4x both are get cancelled. Minus 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 5, dear students. Remainder we got here minus 5. Let us, you understood the, dear students. One more time I will explain the solution very clearly. You listen carefully and look at the board. What is given? Divide the polynomial 3x power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 is there, dear students. Division by x minus 1. You take here x minus 1, So 3x power of 4 divided by x. Answer we got 3x square. This 3x square is become a quotient. Quotient into this x when we will do the multiplication. Monomial to binomial. We got answer here. Change the sign. Next step came minus 3x square minus 3x. So this is minus x cube is there. I did here. This divided by x. We got answer minus x square. Minus x square is the quotient. Minus x square into this one is when we did the multiplication. We got answer this much. So next step is this is. So similarly, step by step you follow it. We got the answer. Remainder is minus 5, dear students. I thought you understood very well, dear students. So this is the 7th example question. We will teach the next example question in the next period. I thought you understood very well, dear students. So आज का क्लास यहाँ ही समाप्त करना बोल के सोच के हम इधर स्टॉप कर रहे हैं, dear students. आज का क्लासेस में, so in today's class I explained to you 2.2 exercise 4th bit also I explained to you very well. I given the some homework also. And next topic is what? Remainder theorem. In this remainder theorem I explained to you 2 questions. In the 2 questions, 2 method, 1 method, 2 method I explained, and 7th question I explained to the 1 method, dear students. I thought you understood very well. You are not getting the solution or explanation. In the explanation also having the doubt, steps also having the doubt, means you can call to me. I will clarify your doubts, dear students. Okay, thank you and all.